Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learn Guitar. Henry Moodie here with Right Person, Wrong Time. Alright, so this is a pretty straightforward song when it comes to strumming. We have pretty easy chords as well, and that's what's up. You don't need any capo for this one, so let's go right into Henry Moodie's Right Person, Wrong Time. And we're gonna go across a couple chords here. I believe there are 5. Probably 6 maybe, yeah, 6 chords. So let's dive into the first ones. I'm gonna start with A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have next chord, which is the F, and that is a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret and you cover all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the G, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have the GB chord, and that's what I call it. So it goes pretty much a transition chord. It goes like this. So that is second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. And the final chord is the F minor. We're just gonna use it once on one down only, but we need it, so goes like that. It's a bar chord, so you play a bar on the first fret and you cover all strings there, and then you need to add third on A and third on D. Alright, so there you have all the tools now. Let's look at the strumming and the music here. From A minor, sounds like this, and we're gonna play down, down, up, down, up. That's the strumming pattern. So that's one round, so that will be the rhythm. So one round, down, down, up, down, up. I like to play on the first down, a little bit more on the bass strings, and then the next down, and everything else down there on the higher strings or high mid area. So like that. So right, let's look at the song now, and we're gonna start with the verse play. And yeah, you're gonna play A minor, 1 full round, then F, 1 full round, and C, 2 full rounds. You consider these 3 chords as one chord progression. Then you're gonna play the chord progression for 4 rounds, and that's the first verse. And I can just mention we have an intro as well that is played in the exact same way. So if you wanna play the intro also, then you need to play 2 rounds of the A minor 1, F1, and C2. And then you continue, like we said here, in the verse play and play the same chord progression for 4 rounds. And that's your first verse. Then into the pre-chorus, and guess what? You're gonna just continue in the same way there. A minor 1, F1, C2 for another 2 rounds. At this point, we reach the first chorus. Okay. So we're gonna play this chorus, and you're gonna think at it as 4 rounds, but they're different a little bit from each other. So the first round is to play A minor 2, F2, C3, and G1. So that's the first round. Let's play together. A2, F2, C3, G1. Alright, that's the first round. Then we have the next 2 rounds. That means round 2 and round 3. You're gonna play them A minor 2, F2, C2, and the GB2. Okay, so let's do this. So far we played the first, second, and third round, and then in the fourth and final round, you're gonna play A minor 2, F2, C2, and then you're gonna play one down on C and a pause, and then one down on the GB and a pause. So it goes like this. And that's it for the chorus, the fourth and final round there. So there you have the first chorus, and then you just go into the first instrumental part. It's pretty much a post-chorus part, but it's instrumental, and it is to play another verse play for 2 rounds. So A minor 1, F1, and C2. Okay, so that's the first round. Over now to the second round of this verse. And that's played in the exact same way as the first one. No changes there. 4 rounds of A minor 1, F1, and C2. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. Everything here in the second round is repetition. And after the second chorus, we're gonna reach the bridge part. And we're now about 2 minutes and 38 seconds into the song. You're gonna continue the same strumming pattern. And the chord progression here will be F2, G2, then A minor 1, G1, and F2. Okay, if you consider all these 5 chords as one round, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. And after these 2 rounds, that's when you're gonna use the F minor. You're gonna play just one down on the F minor and a big pause. That pause means build up for the final part of the song. So like I mentioned, F2, G2, A minor 1, G1, and F2 for 2 rounds. I'm gonna give you 1 round of this, and then I'm just gonna end with the F minor parts. So it goes like this. And that's the end of the bridge part, and then you go into the final parts of the song. That is the third and final chorus. You're gonna play that in the same way when it comes to the build-up here as the previous choruses, but the first round here, where you play A minor 2, F2, C3, and G1, you're just gonna play one down per chord there. So A minor, F, C with a longer pause, and then G. And then from there on, you're gonna play the strumming in the very same way as the previous choruses till the very end, the 4th round. And that's the end of Henry Moodie's Right Person, Wrong Time. So, a pretty straightforward song, like I said in the beginning, straightforward when it comes to strumming, and the chords are pretty similar, very easy. So if you like this song, if you like guitar playing, this could be one to start with. So good luck with this one. And if it was helpful, then give me a thumb up on this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, of course. And yeah, play a tune.